how to delete Botim account. In this video, I'll show you how you can fully delete your Botim account. Now take note that before doing this, make sure that you have fully decided to delete your Botim account because you will no longer have access to it and you can no longer recover it. So to start, just pull up your Botim application and make sure that you're logged into the account that you would like to delete. Now access your profile picture at the top right and then choose on account settings. From account settings, you will be seeing account detail option and account management option. Simply choose on delete account. Now, you will just choose on a specific reason as to why you would decided to delete your account. Maybe you got a new phone or changing phone number or deleting your account temporarily. For now, just choose on other and on the feedback type, it's up to you if you would like to add something here or not. Now, once you tap on proceed delete, you will have to re-verify the specific phone number that you used to log in into your Bodim account so that you can officially remove this account right here. And that's it. That's how you delete your Botim account.